Hi there, students. To lionize. Okay, this is to treat something or somebody as really important, as something of great interest. Yeah, to treat somebody as if they're famous, or even to make somebody famous. Fans lionize pop stars. Ronaldo has been lionized. He's the most incredible footballer who's ever existed. Yeah, so it's to make somebody, if you like a lion or have the characteristics of a lion. They're really, really important. Because after all, remember, the lion is the king of the beasts, and he's big and powerful. Let's see, I think it's most common to lionize people. So when peace was declared, the soldiers were lionized. Yeah, they were given the status of great heroes who were incredibly brave and incredibly important. That is to lionize. Or you could use it for a thing as well. So this policy is being lionized by the political party. They're saying it's the absolute best. Yeah, it's really important and it's got to be done. So, I don't know, maybe lionizing the wearing of masks in the current climate is a good idea. Yeah, it's almost like imbuing it with magical properties. So pop stars and footballers are lionized, but you can lionize ordinary people as well. Maybe Martin Luther King was lionized by his community. They thought he was a fantastic and really important person. Yeah, so to lionize, to make famous, to make important, to treat or make into a celebrity. Yeah, the press began to lionize her enthusiastically, to idolize, to exalt, to eulogize, if you like, to glorify. Yeah, maybe even to hero worship. So to lionize somebody. I think the opposite of lionize would be to demonize. Yeah, so this is a really terrible thing, but to lionize, to acclaim that it's absolutely fantastic. The author has been lionized as one of the greatest ever to ever exist. His match-winning goal meant that the fans will lionize him forever. Yeah, they will treat him as a celebrity. They will make him into a celebrity. Okay, so the origin, well, clear, from a lion, and to convert into a lion. And the next question, how formal? I think I'd probably give this 5.5 to 6 in formality. I think you could use it anywhere, although I don't think it's a common choice of word. It sounds a little bit literary. Yeah, so to lionize somebody, he deserves to be lionized for his fantastic work. And yeah, the origin, from a lion. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Lionize.